So let's summarize the main points of each article and what the overall argument is. So for the first article, it's about from NASA, and the main argument is kind of like the scientists has found a lot of evidence about recently that the climate change has become more rapidly and frequently in all the areas like the extreme events and with the decrease of ice areas, and that's evidence of the rapid climate change. So the second source we found is from Forbes article.
你怎么把我的也说了？你看
So so the main argument is
，so 第二个嘛。So the main argument is the elementary friendly is not about the science side, more more about the politics side.
Yeah, so it's more about politics side as like they want to create more jobs, but like it's more costly. Oh, I mean the jobs that is like green jobs, but it's more costly, and sometimes it's even destroying more jobs than ever. So, and the third source we found is from David Suzuki Foundation. So they are talking about the denial about climate change, as they receive the money from the coal or fossil fuel company to do those activities that could deny the government from doing something to make everything green. So this company could benefit from that, and but like they still can't get rid of the fact that climate change is still happening more rapidly than ever. So it's kind of the point. It's kind of make no point that they will do this.
So 下一个是不是？So I think the friend of the science the argument the main argument of friend of science is the article talk about 10 myths of global warming and point out that 哎呀，华兰怎么说
carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide was not main reason of global warming, and the ice cap may decrease in areas but increase in
depth. Yeah, it's kind of being funded by a lot of evidence, and the graph in the graph found by scientists that shows that the ice cap in the north and south ice cap was actually increased in the depths. So it's kind of the mess that's they think it's kind of the myth that the climate changes has affects the temperature or affects the ice that much. So and the last site we found is it's a website called Climate Hotspot Hotmap, and this site has shown all the situation that is happening around the world. It's in terms of the people and freshwater, ocean, ecosystem, and the most important one, which is temperature. And they have shown these cases by analyzing a lot of cases around the world, and they have showed this in the world map, so you can point. There's like so many bubbles that you can click on so that you can find out what the case is in that area. So they are kind of telling the people that the climate change has affected the world a lot.